The UOC learning methodology is interactive and encourages collaboration, and for this reason it is very important to understand how the forums work in Canvas classrooms. Let's take a look. Each course has its own discussion forums, where you can share your thoughts with other students and the teaching staff. You can find them in the left-hand menu. The counter tells you at a simple glance whether you have any unread messages. If there are a lot of messages, you can use the search tool. This makes it easy to find a topic or a certain person's messages. Also, to avoid missing anything, you can subscribe to the forum. If you subscribe, you'll receive notifications of new responses in your UOC Gmail inbox, as per the preferences you have specified in Account/Notifications. Taking part in a discussion is easy. Just click on Write a reply. You can write a message, or you can upload an audio or video file. In any case, you must click on Post Reply to publish your input. In some cases, you may have assignments that include assessment of your participation in discussions. This means that your input will count towards your course mark. If you have graded discussions, you'll also see them in the modules section of the classroom. And in the grade section, you'll be able to see your marks for them. If you have any queries, please contact us via the help service, via the virtual campus, or on Twitter.